Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Landon, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, December 15th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 25 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 33 and a low of 29, with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Tyler, Anya,
Brandon.
and Aya.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In sports, the Blackhawks won against the Winnipeg Jets with a score of 5-1. The Bulls will play the Milwaukee Bucks tonight at 7, and the Bears will play the Detroit Lions tomorrow at 3:30. Clubs meeting today are 6th grade band buddies in the band room at 11:45. Today's announcements are the holiday shop will be open today during lunch for the classrooms assigned to today's date. Come down at lunchtime and buy gifts for family and friends. In the United States, there's a lot of wasted water. Please watch this video from the 5th grade First Lego League about reducing water waste. Good job. Pretty good. Now a message from Mr. Smelzer and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Landon. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm pretty good.
Great.
Today is National Ugly Sweater Day, and I'm glad to see you're participating.
I knew
Oh.
Well, first of all, I got him first behind the scenes, so he just jumped at that.
Actually, it's Ugly Christmas Sweater Day. Let's clarify that. So I guess
Well,
you're
I don't-
not participating.
No, I'm not, but you are.
That's not a Christmas
You sure
frock.
are. Look at that ugly Christmas sweater you have on.
I know, it's even got a penguin on it. See?
Ugh, so ugly.
All right. Anyway, you're full of compliments today.
Yes, I am.
Well, what do we have on tap here?
All right, we have our Smensel winners that we will not be announcing, and we will be coming into your classrooms.
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
All right. So
Yeah.
it'll be a surprise.
Yep.
You never know what's going to happen week to week. All right. So we have some Herbie high fives, I believe, correct?
Yeah.
All right. You want to start us
Okay.
off?
Here we go. I have the primary egg. So pull a few. First we have Maya in 113.
Mia or Maya?
Mia or Maya.
Okay.
Maybe Mia.
I have Kyle in 206.
Allison in 113.
Dylan in 206.
Try and stir it up a little bit. Caitlin in 112.
Anam in 205.
We have
Andrew.
Andrew in 112.
Monty in 207.
Wow, that's Andrew. Brody in 114.
Veronica in 206.
Medha in 114.
Andrew, you like that? Andrew in 207.
Rudra in 109.
Nithya in 207.
Allison in 113 again. Woo-woo. Nicholas in 113.
Sophia in 205. We're just going to keep going.
Until you stop.
All right.
What's this name? Can't
Skanda in 113.
possibly. Yashita in 113.
Eliza in 120.
Nicholas in 113.
That one, he's already been called. That was Andrew again. Good job, Andrew. Caleb in 207.
Art in 113.
Bobby in 207.
Oh, I got Art again in 113. Anya in 112.
Keshvi in 209.
Miguel in 109.
Vraj in 116.
Rudra
Why don't you guys play us
in
out?
109.
Last one. Kendall in 116.
And Josh in 117.
And I'm just kidding. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
All right, friends, it's time for our school song.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. Know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray. Thank you, Mrs. Smelser and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Landon.
Friday's fact is, today is Lemon Cupcake Day. Lemon is a favorite flavor in the cake and sweets world. And this day is the perfect excuse to enjoy a sweet treat with that distinctive citrus flavor. Lemon, in cakes, can give them a refreshing kick. And when added into the miniature treat of a cupcake, it's especially tasty. That's why lemon cupcakes deserve their own day. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Bubbly Buffalo production team. Have a frosty frozen Friday.